So you may need some tools for this project, some inspiration, kids pipe cleaners, sturdy headband, some wire, some brown tape, scissors, snippers. So you start by manipulating the wire around the headband, just like so. Like that. And then you do the same for the second antler as well. Like that. And you can manipulate a little bit more just to make it a bit more realistic and in shape. Then you cut a little wire to connect the two antlers together and to make it a bit more sturdy. And then wrap around the brown tape around your wires. Like so. And then you continue all the way until the end. And then take the fluffy wires, the kids pipe cleaners, and wrap them around each antler. This gives it a bit more thickness and makes it a bit more real, and also hides the tape. And voila, you have some antlers here, but you need to manipulate them a bit more just to make them a bit more sturdy and upright, like so. Alright, let me know what you think.